Hello, everyone. Uh, we are going to begin in 1 minute. So I hope that you are all ready, guys, because we are going to see what happened this week and what we could expect also for next week. We had a lot of stuff on our plates this week. We had Tesla that just gained almost 20% before falling at the end of the week. We had also the coronavirus to handle. We had also the earnings season in the United States for the U.S. companies. So the week was very volatile, and especially on the equity market. But if you look at the cryptocurrency market right now, we are breaking the $10,000 on the Bitcoin, which is a pretty good sign that we will reach maybe new high. I will also let you know that we are also going to expect an halving in around May. So basically, it's a shortage in the Bitcoin reward for Bitcoin miners. So basically, each time that miners confirm a block of transaction on the Bitcoin technology, he received Bitcoin, and starting from May, around May they will receive half the amount they were receiving until that, because this is how it works with Bitcoin. And there is only 21 millions Bitcoin in circulation, and we haven't reached right now that level, but this is where we are going, where we are heading. Okay, so I see that the timer is finished. Let's begin our webinar. Up and again up. Okay, so first thing first, let's have a quick look at the Dow Jones. So as you can see here, guys, the week was pretty good. The week was pretty good. We finished in the green, and I would even say that we had a big trading range on the Dow Jones, and as you can see here, we had a range, and the bottom of the range was 28,200 points, 28,400 points, and the resistance level was 29,400 points, 29,500 points. This week we finished the week at the highest point we could finish the week. So basically, we are at the top. The medium price, and I would say the most interesting price is right here. So in the blue zone that I just draw here, this is basically the medium price of the Dow Jones. The equities will not be cheap. They will not be expensive. They will be just at the normal and at the mean price. Okay, so basically this moving average is the 14 moving average. So basically it's 14 period. So you see that we are going to that level 20, sorry. 12. This is the MBA 20. What can I say also? So basically this is what we have on the American Dow Jones. And for next week, my bet is basically this one. We will have, I think, a good trading range. So basically, people will sell around this level, buy around this level. We'll have a trading range, and maybe finally we could have the opportunity to break that resistance level and go toward the 30,400 points level, which is right now my target level. Okay, so now let's have also a quick look at a currency pair that is very interesting. This is the euro dollar. So the euro against the US dollar is basically it's basically almost the same, guys. We talked and we are talking, and we will talk also about I would say bearish strategies on the euro dollar and selling strategies, and this remains the same. As you can see here, this is bearish, and this is what we call a carry trade. So you have the trend of the asset that is bearish. You have also and you earn also interest when you hold a short position on the against the US dollar, because there is a difference between the interest rate of the two currencies. So basically, you make money on the direction of the trade. You make also money on the interest because you simply hold a selling position on that currency pair, which is called a carry trade. Okay, so when you make money on both, it's a carry trade. And my view remains the same on the euro dollar. We are heading towards the 1.08 dollars, and I have a take profit level at 1.05. Okay, so 1.05, 1.055 is my take profit level and my final take profit level, because as you know, I'm short on the euro dollar since the end of January, but basically also last year. So I'm I'm short and I'm bearish euro dollar since almost 2 years. And I will repeat to you guys what I really think on the euro dollar. Every rebound for me is an opportunity to get short on the euro dollar, because the fundamentals are not good on the euro side. So we had the Brexit. Last month. And some people and some analysts are also talking about, for example, an Italy exit. So basically, Italy will maybe leave also the eurozone. So basically, I just want to make you imagine this. Okay, we had the Brexit. Now imagine if Italy is leaving the eurozone. What will happen next? Greece? I don't know. You know, even Spain, France, whatever. So this is maybe the beginning of the end for the eurozone. Personally, I prefer to buy US dollar, because this is a strong currency. Fundamentals are quite good. The Federal Reserve is quite, I would say, steady, and has a clear vision of what they want to do, and also they have, for now, I would say, a greater stability than we have in the eurozone, because in the eurozone right now it's quite shaky. I would say we had the Brexit. People are talking about the Italy exit, so basically Italy leaving the EU. So this is something that will. That can weaken the eurozone. This is something that is not happening in the US. Did you hear about Texas leaving the US? No. So we are not in the same case. You see. So this is why I'm short euro dollar. Let me show you one last thing that could be interesting for you. This is the Bitcoin. So let's talk Bitcoin, and let's see Bitcoin. So we broke the $10,000 level. So Bitcoin is quite bullish this year, and this could be due to the halving that we will experience in May. So in less than 3 months, I would say. An halving is a shortage of the reward the miners get to do their work. So basically, mine Bitcoin by validating transactions. People are buying, and those events in the past revealed to be bullish for the currency, so for the cryptocurrency. So basically, it's bullish. It's bullish Bitcoin. It's bullish Litecoin. It's bullish Ethereum. Let's have a quick look at the Ethereum. Look. Against the dollar, for example, look, we just made 2% today, so yeah, it's pretty bullish, and it's gone. As you can see, it's gone. It's gone. We almost doubled the price, and yeah, Ethereum is like the most bullish one, I think. Just look at the chart. Dang, that's quite crazy, you know. We were at $100 in December. We are at $200. So basically, we doubled the price of the Ethereum compared to the price we had in December. And you see, the room for progression is quite huge. You know, there is a space for progression that is quite huge, and I think that this has a great potential. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., have great potential. All right, guys, that's all for my trading plans for today. Tomorrow is the traders room, so you know that each week the traders room is where I share all my strategy with you guys for the week. This is where I explain to you and I unveil to you my trading plans. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the We Love Arya World Facebook group. And see you tomorrow for a new trading trading webinar together every day at 14 UK time, so 2 p.m. UK time, 3 p.m. France time. See you tomorrow. Have a nice week and be careful if you are trading at the US equity market because we are at the top of a range. And if you are trading cryptocurrency right now, it's bullish. So if you were buying cryptocurrencies in December, I would say that February is Christmas for you. So well done. See you tomorrow, guys.